Bullish Ethereum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $8,454.30 and $15,969.23 by 2030. Market investigators accept ETH could reach $6,575.57 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,502.99. Ethereum presentation decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports savvy contracts. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital currency after Bitcoin. Software engineer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony D'Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute long-lasting and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local cryptographic money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any protected advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for use on the blockchain network, yet clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Thus, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. Ethereum specialized investigation. As indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the determination, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest obstruction. One more reassuring sign. The cost of ETH going over the moving normal with solid exchanging movement upholds this. Consequently, assuming the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the main obstruction, the following significant region to watch out for is presumably to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or disprove longer-term expectations. Ethereum basic examination. It's memorables fundamental that most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to associations, rather than the financial exchange. Subsequently, by finishing a reasonable basic examination and taking into account all the data that is at present open about the undertaking, you might decide if a digital money is beneficial or not. The objective of key investigation is to learn a resource's inborn worth. For example, you might assess whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of interior and outside factors. Ether is important due to a few elements. In any case, its helpfulness is significant for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money convention classes of credits, decentralized trades, subsidiaries, resources, and installments require Ether charges. Moreover, the biological system of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and different, as found in the pictures underneath. Second, Ether is the save resource for decentralized finance in light of the fact that it is used as guarantee in the decentralized money convention. For example, getting or loaning Ether to expand a yield due to marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking, and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Third, since clients might utilize this computerized cash to pay for items and administrations on the Ethereum blockchain, the second era of blockchains, Ether, can be viewed as another kind of cash. For example, non-fungible tokens NFT, for example, crypto collectibles are bought utilizing Ether. Ethereum is presently worth $1,878.82 USD. ETH has moved 1.13% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,392,696,817. Ethereum is presently positioned 2 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $231,101,567,085 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Ethereum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023 Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ETH cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $2,818.30. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $2,630.41 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,254.64. Ethereum value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Ethereum ETH cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,697.16. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ETH's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,757.73 and a typical exchanging cost of $4,133.50. Ethereum value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $6,576.02 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6,012.36 and a low of $5,636.59 in 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. Assuming that Ethereum effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $8,454.89, with a base cost of $7,515.45 and a typical cost of $7,891.23. Ethereum value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9,770.09 by 2027, with a base cost of $9,394.32 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $10,333.75. Ethereum value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11,648.95. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $12,212.61. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $11,273.18. Ethereum value expectation 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed.